Hey everyone! Today I will show you a quick and easy vegetable and rice recipe commonly known as vegetable tehri, where the rice is cooked along with potatoes and vegetables. It is the perfect comfort food and very mild, requiring just a few basic spices. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. The very first thing we need to do is to wash and soak the rice. Here I have taken 2 cups of long-grained Basmati rice. For any Indian rice recipe, you need to wash the rice very well till the water runs clear. In this way, you are getting rid of that excess starch from the surface of the grains. If you skip this step, then you will end up getting rice that will be very sticky, and you do not want to deal with that. Soak the rice for 30 minutes. I usually set a timer as the grains break if they soak for too long. After 30 minutes, drain the water and spread them out so that the excess water drips off. Always take a large pot for cooking rice. In that way, the rice grains will get enough space to expand and maintain their shape. Add little oil and then ghee. Ghee is totally optional. You can even use butter or you can use only oil. We need some whole spices, dried bay leaf, green cardamoms, cloves, a cinnamon stick and whole cumin seeds, that is jeera. Whenever you are using any whole spices, always remember to toast the spices on very low heat till they turn fragrant. Do not add them in very hot oil as they will burn and ruin your dish. Next comes onion slices. As always, I sprinkle little salt to help them soften up faster. Stir them frequently on medium heat. In the meantime, I will prepare a spice paste. I need some grated ginger, then turmeric powder, red chili powder, and some garam masala powder. Add a few tablespoons of water and mix. Now you can even add a tablespoon of curry powder to this, but today I will stick to the light and mild nature of this dish. My onions have turned soft and have started to get little golden along the edges. Here we are looking for this kind of a situation. I also need some black peppercorns which I have ground in my mortar and pestle. I like to keep them coarse. Then comes the spice paste. Fry on medium heat. Now I have taken these vegetables. Potatoes are a must for this recipe. Then I have taken cauliflower and carrots. Add them to the pot. Add some salt. Stir them on medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. In between you can cover the pot, but stir them frequently till they are about 50% done. Next, it's time for the rice to dive in. Remember to drain out all that water from the rice before adding to the pot. Stir with gentle hands on medium-low heat. Do not fry the rice too much as that will make them hard. Soon you will hear little crackling noises from the rice, and this is an indication that it is time to add water. Use the same cup in which you had measured rice to measure water. Since I took 2 cups of rice, so I added 4 cups of hot water. You can even use vegetable broth. Then add some lemon or lime juice and keep it on medium-low heat. Add a generous amount of salt than you usually do. Taste the water, and if it doesn't taste salty, then add a little more. And you need to add the salt at this stage, or else the rice won't taste good. Occasionally, just give a stir with gentle hands. Remember guys, you are handling rice here and not pebbles or stones. Oh, and do not attempt to try this recipe if you are in a bad mood. You need to handle the rice with a lot of love, which I don't think will be possible if you are in a bad mood. Soon you will see the rice grains are swelling up and coming to the surface. Most of the water will be soaked up by the rice, and you will see these tiny bubbles on top. At this point, I like to add little ground nutmeg, that is jaifal. This is totally optional, but I think it brings in a nice flavor to this mild dish. Then frozen green peas. If you are using fresh ones, then add it in the beginning along with the other vegetables. Then cover it and keep it on very low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, again with very gentle hands, just run your spatula around the sides and loosen up the rice a little bit. Then again cover it on very low heat for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it off heat and let it sit on the counter for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not be tempted to open the lid at this time to catch a glimpse of all that beauty. The rice grains will use up all that residual heat of the pot and become fluffier, resulting in each grain separating out. After 15 minutes, again with gentle hands, loosen up the rice. And how many times did I bore you with that word gentle? Did anyone count? Then you know how much I love coriander leaves. But again, this is optional. Serve this with raita or any salad of your choice, or a spicy pickle or papadums. Check out the recipe of raita coming up at the end. This is Bumbi, and thanks for joining me. Bye bye.